Good morning. It's rainy in the morning. It's very beautiful. I love rain. Thanks God it is rainy.
Beda?
Surat izin.
Hah?
Pemesanan izin kuliah itu.
Oh, begitu.
Nggih. Waktu iki mikir nggih.
Di
Yeah, yeah.
Ampun sih berkasnya.
ya.